Hello everyone. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the options that you have for browsers on the VOPLLS A6 projector. And so we come over here to the Play Store, and then you go up to the search, which is the magnifying glass up at the top. Click on that, and then if you don't see a keyboard appearing, just hit the OK button on your remote. It'll bring up the on-screen keyboard. You can, I believe, connect like a wireless or wired keyboard. I haven't quite tested it yet, but it should have that functionality similar to the VOPLLS M10 projector. But we'll come here and we'll search for browser, and we're just gonna select that. And you have these two options right here. This first one, which is like the little planet looking one, is the Open TV browser. I'll get that downloaded so we can open it up. And the second one is this Gyrosphere web browser, formerly known as Gyro Pages, but we'll get that installed as well. And then what we'll do is we'll come back here to the main menu. As you can see down here below, the Open TV browser just popped up, and then I think once the other one downloads, it should appear. But for the meantime, we'll open up this Open TV browser. I haven't used these yet on the projector, so this is kind of, we're both watching and learning about this first time together. But I'm hoping that it's a little bit easier to use compared to the VOPLLS M10's like projector screen or like the browser screen that it has. It's cool that it has anime. I'm a big anime fan, so it's kind of fun to see that it has these options. It does have these links as well. We can, for example, click on, let's do Hulu. That just has the links for those. I'm just gonna hit the back button. We'll go back, cycle through. You can do a bunch of different websites, news. It's funny that they have a dedicated spot for anime, so that's pretty fun. And then we'll go back. We're gonna exit out. We'll try this Gyrosphere really quick. Accept. And it looks like you have a few different options. You have standard mode, which is the default browsing mode, study mode, which removes distractions, and of course you have incognito mode. We'll just do standard for right now. And it kind of gives me the vibes of like an Android device type phone. We can switch to education mode, add quick links, more results. Let's get started. Yeah, so we have different things on there. So hopefully that kind of gives someone an idea for the two web browsers that are available on the VOPLLS A6 projector.